If you are first time visiting our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for any notifications.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel Discover with Swapna. In this video, I am going to discuss about reading books. Once we say books, most of us feel, what do I achieve by reading books? I don't have time to read books. I feel sleepy once I open books, or I am not at all interested in books. How much ever strong your feelings are, please keep them aside and watch this video with an open mind. You'll get answers to all these questions. Before we jump into the topic, I'll just share my story with the books. I love reading books, but I'm not an avid reader. I read only few books. However, this year I got to know about this Atomic Habits book through social media. Many people have been suggesting it. This book is all about making tiny changes and getting remarkable results. Also, author gave very practical methods to build good habits and break bad habits. It was really useful for me. So once I finished this book, I somehow felt I should continue reading books. I wanted to make reading a habit. Then I started this emotional intelligence book. Even this book is very interesting. So, how am I cultivating this reading habit and the experience of reading book? I am going to share with you while answering 3 questions. First question is, what do I achieve by reading books? Why should I read books?
In this world, one common thing about most great people is they read books. And if you observe people who read books, they look so mature, they look calm and confident. By reading books, we can gain knowledge and increase vocabulary. Reading books is an exercise to the brain. Learning new things, incorporating them with existing knowledge, it's all an activity for the brain. Books increase our imagination and our thought process. We can learn valuable things for life. We can understand this world better. By reading books, even if you don't achieve something great, to the minimum it will definitely make your life a little better. Just think about this. In a day, how many times you just open your phone and keep scrolling social media without any purpose? You don't achieve anything from that. Isn't it so useful if we read books instead? If you are a youngster or bachelor, it is the best time to invest your time in books. In this phase, you would have less responsibilities and more time. You can read more books. The knowledge you get from reading books would help you in developing skills for your profession or personal life. If you are a homemaker or working mother, along with taking care of family, read books to improve yourself. That will definitely be useful for your family. Whatever you learn from books, you can teach that to your kids. You can inspire them to read. You can definitely make their lives better by cultivating this reading habit.
Second question is, how to get interest to read books?
When we keep saying statements like, I'm not interested in books, I can't read books, we start believing it strongly and make it our identity. We completely avoid the thought of reading books. When we hear something about books, we just close the doors of our mind. We can't achieve anything with this fixed mindset. If you want to improve yourself, get better in life, you should be ready to change yourself. If you haven't read any non-academic books so far, get a book now. Prepare your mind that you can read a book. Select the right book according to your taste, be it fiction, autobiography, or self-help books. Start slowly. Once you start reading the book and enjoy the process of reading it, you will automatically get interested in reading further. In case if you don't like that book, you don't have to continue it. You can stop reading that book and pick another one. For example, someone suggested me this essentialism book. I couldn't enjoy much as I felt the same point is being repeated. I stopped reading it. Reading books is not as tough as we think. For me, it is the easiest and best thing. We don't have any physical strain or any mental stress. It is a kind of relaxing process. If you think you feel sleepy while reading a book, sit in a place where you have good lighting. Keep a water bottle with you. Keep sipping water while you read a book. When you get hydrated, your mind stays active. If you don't have enough time or can't enjoy reading a book, there are many mobile apps available that provide audiobooks. You can listen to it while working. Have given links for audio apps in description. You can check out if interested.
Third question is how to cultivate this reading habit. Mindset. If you want to read books, you have to strongly fix it in your mind. You have to keep it as not just a goal but a specific goal, like I have to read a book every day for half an hour or read at least 5 pages. How strongly you decide this in your mind, how much priority you give for this, so are the chances you do that. Habit stacking. Habit stacking means connecting one habit with another. For example, if you have a habit of drinking coffee, club this habit with reading books. When you drink coffee, take your book and read along. In my case, I read books for some time after I finish lunch. So, once I finish my lunch, I get this thought to read book. If you are a person who travels to office or college, carry your book with you. You would be better using the traveling time. If you stay at home, keep the book in vicinity. Whenever you get bored or have some free time, you could simply pick and read it. Connect with like-minded people. Connect with people who read books. Take reading challenges, join Facebook groups. You would get more interest and learn and share the experience with others. I have given some Facebook groups for book readers in the description. You can refer if you need it. So friends, start reading books. It might just give a valuable thought for your life or it might change your life. If you have read any interesting book recently, do share with me in comments. Before finishing this video, a good thought to share. That's the thing about books. They let you travel without moving your feet. Comment me if you are going to start reading books and also tell me which tip you like the most from this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it with your friends and family. I will see you in next video. Until then, bye.